Welcome back. We're here again with today's sponsor, Spider Farmer. Real quick, please give the video a like after you're done watching it if it helped you out. Subscribe for free to help support my channel. Today they sent us the SF1000 Grow Tent Kit. In this video we'll unbox, set up the kit, and also include detailed instructions on the process. This kit includes the SF1000 Grow Light, 27 by 27 by 62 inch grow tent, 4-inch inline duct fan, 4-inch carbon filter, flex air aluminum duct, 3 hose clamps, thermal hygrometer, outlet timer, 4 5-gallon grow bags, 1 trellis plant netting, and 2 rope clip hangers. After unrolling the tent and referring to the instructions to connect the frame pieces, the easiest way to proceed is to unzip the tent completely and place it over the frame. Also, you can place the frame on top of the open tent and pull up the tent around it. This process is a bit awkward, but if you focus on each corner, it goes together pretty well. This kit also includes 2 cross pieces to hang your light and other items from as needed. One piece is a bit lower and should cross below the other piece for added support. A 4-inch inline fan allows for powerful and quiet airflow with 205 CFM and only 28 decibel noise level. Combined with a 4-inch performance carbon filter made with RC412 activated carbon, this complete ventilation system will completely control any odors from your grow. The new Samsung full spectrum LM301B dial layout on the SF1000 Grow Light gives you more uniform PPFD with an efficient PPE of 2.5 micromoles. This configuration helps plants to absorb lights faster, resulting in bigger yields. Spider Farmer are official partners with Samsung. The 2x2 reflective interior tent is made by 1680 Oxford tent cloth with no light leaks. Strong metal frame can hold up to 140 pounds with multiple viewing windows for easy observation and wall-to-wall reflective covering. This tent is an appropriate match for the 100-watt SF1000 light. "5 years local after sales, Spider Farmer, the best personal choice for indoor growers."